is like we are Earth, and then we have various planets, and then we have things going around, and then we have stuff flying around. So if you look at it just from here, one small object, we are like lonely in space, going like to the shake and bake to get yourself some like a burger or a shake, and then come back. No, once we get our space out over there from our poles, no, from our poles over here, our object over here, we got to start thinking more in terms of toes. So this thing, now any kind of grid, okay, this is a grid. Suppose you want to get here, but there's an NGO that's going this way, then there's one that's going this way, then there's one going this way. So it's like jumping on a series of buses. You jump on this bus, you get off here, then catch this one, you get off here, then you catch this one, and then you get here, you catch this one, and then maybe you go down, and then you get it over here. That's called like vectors. So when you look at the big picture, there's a whole lot of propulsion running around over there in space. It's like the natural thing we like to call sailing, isn't it? Now even the space around you is the ultimate ocean. Even the atmosphere is an ocean. We are like bottom dwellers in this ocean. Yes, because this is filled with water vapor too. It's just the amount of water vapor that we have around us that differs, the density of it, but it is water. So that is my picture. And we need to do this. Why? Because that's the only really way we can get around our whole solar system. If we develop like a map, and the plan is now, why can't we do this? Why can't we do this from getting from here to there to there? Why? Because we do not have like real-time information. It's like a bus schedule. A bus schedule. Now the bus schedule ain't. If you don't know if you know the bus goes to the London Tower, but from London Tower you want to get to Nelson Square, you don't know what kind of thing over there, so you're stuck in limbo. But in London Tower, they put you right up in the tower in the first class accommodation, right before the coronation, right? But so it's like we need to develop this bus schedule. That's what I call the enterprise, using enterprise system. Enterprise software. We create the system like a real-time database, so everybody will have like a dashboard. You can create dashboards of all the information, and you'll know, okay, at this time that this is going and sun's ahead, and I'm going to take this near Earth object, and then that thing's going to tow me away there to Venus, and from Venus I'm going to hop on to like the sun's gravity. I'm going to go twice around it and build up enough velocity, and then go head out over here, and from there, I know there's one that expecting certain thing. I'm going to take a little bit of a rocket boost and go there and catch that one and go this way to the Centaurian arm. That's how you travel, sir. That's the way you get along like Odin. Do you know Mr. Odin? He would say, Roger, Captain, let's go. So, this is called the grid of heaven. And this one is like holding things, transformers. So with we just have to learn how to, it's like piping cake, have you piped cake like wedding cake? I don't know the reason, then there are no tangents. So the different shapes create outputs like different kind of shapes of water. So all this water vapor, you just have to funnel it. It may be at a higher altitude of where it starts turning into crystals, and join up all those crystals in meaningful shapes using nano technology in it. And then it's like building clouds. Clouds, they can take on any shapes, but bringing precise nano clouds. This is the leap. This is the new technology. This is the right thing. Rather than them rockets are. We need them rockets. Okay, we're not going to go rocket bashing because a lot of people go very upset if we go rocket bashing. So especially JPL, APL, BPL, CPL, special CPL. But we need rockets for suppose you need to take like a small ride from the Greyhound bus terminal here to another Greyhound bus terminal there. So there's no other transport. You might just use some boosters to push you in that direction for emergency transportation, right? Okay, I think that should be the thing. Does it cover it? This is the new space program.